Actually, we are all seeing a very turbulent time in our country right now. As a parliamentarian, our job is to raise national issues. It's been 2 years since the DGCA has upgraded the rules, but Indigo, because of their mismanagement, has purely neglected. They thought they will bulldoze the DGCA and the government, and they will continue their business. This should have been a parliamentary discussion. Also, we are seeing the Delhi pollution has surpassed 500 plus AQI levels. This should have been a parliamentary discussion. The rupee's devaluation, the rupee is falling at an alarming rate. We've all seen Prime Minister Modi talk about the rupee devaluating before he came into power. But today the rupee is in a devastated condition. It's in the ICU. There's no discussion on that. If you take a look at the Delhi situation, the roads, the infrastructure across the country, if you take a look at the Indigo crisis, if you take a look at the pollution crisis, unfortunately these topics are not being entertained to discuss in the parliament. We are discussing about issues which are 150 years old. We have all respect for Vande Mataram. We all have contributed, we all learnt it, and we are very proud of our national heritage, our national history. But true justice to our country today would be to discuss on issues that are affecting the common man of our country today, the economy and the unemployment. We all are aware the Modi government has promised 2 crore jobs per year. So over the last 12 years, approximately 24 crore jobs should have been created by this government. We want to discuss on these issues. I wish the government looks at it in a positive light instead of taking things personally. We have all seen how Amit Shah ji has responded to the SIR debate. He has gone really aggressive and he was frustrated. We could clearly see when our LOP Rahul Gandhi ji asked 3 valuable questions, he was unable to respond and he was diverting the topic. He asked a simple question, why the CJI was removed from the committee of selection of the election commissioner. Does this government not respect the judicial system? These are the questions that we would like answered. Jai Hind.